Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can uninstall plugins from WordPress using cPanel, so let's get right into it. But before I do, let me explain some things first, namely what cPanel is. cPanel is an online Linux-based graphics user interface, which is used for managing and, of course, editing your website and building it and pretty much editing it however you want. It is used for managing both the web pages and the servers, so it is a quite useful tool if you're into that. Just one thing, it is a monthly subscription-based service, so keep that in mind if you wish to use it. You do have a 15-day free trial, however, after that you will need to pay, and that's pretty much all the info you need. Now, if you wish to add or remove any WordPress plugins, I'll show you how to do that right now. Namely, I'll show you how to uninstall the plugins using cPanel, as I've already said. And you might want to do this for a few reasons. Either the plugins are faulty, or there's been an update that broke your website, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of reasons, but let's just go over the process instead of the reasons. Now, as you can see, I'm using a HostGator article for this, and we're going to scroll down and go to the uninstall with manager. So that is what we're going to be using, and feel free to look at this article if you have any other questions or any problems which you might not know how to solve through this tutorial. The first, what you want to do is uninstall the plugin, which you have the instructions above. Once you do, you need to log into your cPanel and look for the file manager icon, and then navigate to the WP-content folder. This is WordPress content, and you want to go there. For databases, you want to go to the MySQL databases icon, and that's a completely different story, but that's pretty much it. Once you go to the WordPress content folder, what you want to do is find the file, select the file of the plugin, and just press the delete button at the top of the menu, or right click and select delete. Now, you have a uninstallation WordPress plugin permanently tutorial here. You just need to go to the admin panel, go to plugins, go to install plugins, and click delete, and everything should be uninstalled from there. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.